Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Poshmark. For that, just go and open your Play Store, tap on your search button and again tap on it to open your keyboard. There you need to type RK and tap on search button, and this is our, and I guess it's not available in my region, so I'll just show you how it looks like. HMARK Poshmark, and this is the Poshmark app, and you can find this in your app store, and you can also find this in your Google Play Store. Just go and download it. It is not available in my region, so that is how you can. And once you find this app, just you will see install button like this on your on that app. Just tap on that and it will start to download and install, and in few seconds or minutes, depending upon your network connection, that app will be downloaded and ready to use and will be ready to use. And I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.